Can you briefly introduce yourself, your role, and your company?
Yep. So my name's David Colquhoun. I'm an advanced workflow specialist for SciEx. So my role, it's actually part of business development, but I work with the sales team, particularly around anything that's technical. So obviously coming to this conference to learn as well as to share the technical knowledge of what SciEx offers.
So why your company are deciding to sponsor SAPA-GP?
So we had a really good experience last year that when we attended, really thought that the conference itself brought value for us, both as a company and to learn what's happening in the community, the local community, as well as the scientific community. So we identified it as a conference that we would like to support, and then used it to identify where some of our solutions met well with what was being presented at the conference this week.
Okay, that sounds good. And let's talk back to your company.
Yeah.
And can you tell us or tell the audience what you are selling for and what makes your company are unique than others and why we choose you? Absolutely.
So SciEx is a manufacturer of mass spectrometry and capillary electrophoresis products. So it's instrumentation that can be used in many, many different applications, from environmental to academic research to small molecule quantitation and cell and gene therapy. So what makes this unique is that we have a broad offering of both quantitative and qualitative mass spectrometry products, as well as the best-in-class capillary electrophoresis for both looking at regulated and then research type analyses. And so from a comprehensive standpoint, we have a lot of the different tools that will work either together or in harmony to bring a researcher the results that they're looking for in this field. Yeah, that sounds great. Final question, how is your experience for the SAPA-CGT? I would say, as a company, it's been very good for us. I would say, on a personal level, I've really enjoyed all the presentations. I think that the keynote speakers have done a really good job of making the science and the work that they're doing broadly accessible. So sometimes they'll go into details of some of the really nuanced points of the science, but they always bring it back to the big picture, whether it's curing disease, impacting human health, and making advances in the science. And so the content has been really approachable, but it's also really cutting edge. So as I said, one of the aspects of my role is to understand what advances are being made in the field and inform our company so that we can develop applications and workflows that meet the needs of the customers. So coming to a conference like this and really getting a broad overview of everything that's really important for our customers and our field is critically important. And I think that the balance of technical and broad information is just really, it's been right on at this conference. So it's been phenomenal. Sounds great. Yeah. I can tell you did enjoy for the conference, for the event, and we hope to see you next year. And thanks for the sponsorship. Oh yeah, absolutely. Thank you. And yeah, both, like I said, both as from a scientific perspective, but then also as an engagement. I've seen a lot of familiar faces and friends, as well as met lots of new people. So it's been great. Great. Thank you. Awesome. Thank you very much.